52 mids and highs throughout the whole entire car. I got a little bit of everywhere. That's 52 in the whole car.
That's crazy. That sounded good, man. Yeah, you just when you turn it up, stuff starts flying apart. Yeah. Everything. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Can I come in?
Yeah.
Nice. Here's your bag.
Oh yeah. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. It's plexiglass with rubber on the backside and screws on.
Oh wow. You fit 8 in here.
Yes, sir. 8 12s.
And you had to actually build into the vehicle for this.
Oh yeah, it was a pain.
So, what's your name and what's in here, man?
All right, William Simmons from Ocala, Florida. I got 52 Rogue audio mids and highs throughout the whole entire car. I have 8 Rogue audio 12s. I got 240 amp hours of C-Max lithium, and that's about it.
In the 4th order?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you build this?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Do you know your specs on your enclosure at all? Tuning, peak, frequencies?
It's tuned to 45. It peaks at 42.
Okay. Dang, you broke your windshield. Was that from the system?
Yeah.
Man.
I was at scraping the coast right when I turned it on.
Oh, man. How big is your sealed section? Either total or like per sub, do you know?
It is about 2.5 cubes on each side.
Okay, for the 4?
Yes, sir.
Got it, okay. It's around 0.6, 0.7 per. Nice. What's your bandwidth like?
I mean, right now it's high. I haven't finished the port, but it'll play, say, mid-20s to high 40s.
Yes, sir. Very nice. And all of these are, what is the amps wired to?
The JP93 is wired to 1 ohm.
Okay. All right. Sorry for the questions. I like to know everything.
Good.
So, do you want me to keep this open?
We'll shut that one.
Okay.
Just gotta pull that stick out.
All right. Wow. Nice and snug.
Oh, yes, sir.
Did a good job with those door panels. Look good, man.
Thank you.
Nice work. And your SPL score, did you ever burp test it?
Just metered it yesterday, did 155 at the headrest.
There you go.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
Still, like I said, still need to adjust the port and everything.
Yes, sir. All right. What are these subwoofers rated at? 1,000, 750?
I want to say they're 2,000.
2,000, really? Okay.
So,
okay. Sweet. Are you happy with it?
Yeah. Like I said, I still want to do a little more adjusting on the port. I wanted to play a little bit lower. Yeah. So we definitely got to add some.
Okay. That falls off when you turn it up?
Every time.
Yeah. I've seen people put a glue on it.
I know. I know. I do need to put a little bit of glue on it.
Yeah. So this opens right here?
Yeah, right here.
Oh, okay.
And it's just going to come back at you. It doesn't stay open.
Okay. Nice, that's a lot of speakers. Oh wow, so you're actually able to unscrew and you have speaker tweeters right there?
I got a little bit of everywhere. That's 52 in the whole car.
That's crazy. So if it's a nice day out, you can actually drive with them open.
Yeah. Yeah, usually like when I leave shows, I leave them all.
Yeah. Low and slow. Does it always ride that low?
It's on air. I can't ride that low, but I don't.
Oh, okay. Nice. the amount of pressure vibrating on that radio will instantly, and you have to be careful to turn it down, otherwise it could actually pop the amp. All right, yeah, I'd love to hear it. Do you have a song to play a little lower, maybe if you can load the doors off a little bit? That sounded good, man. Wow. Yeah, that was really punchy.
It is.
Yeah.
It is.
Wow, man, that's impressive. Really good musical response too.
Yeah, it is.
Nice and punchy. Yeah, you just when you turn it up, stuff starts flying apart. Yeah.
Everything.
Awesome, man. I appreciate you giving me a 2-song demo, getting to see how the bandwidth is on that. That was really good. The second one was Coca-Coca Gucci Mane. Nice. Thank you for the demo. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
Okay. I'll let you set the wood thing back. That way I don't mess it up. You have a good day. Good job.
You too.